This is from the first trilogy that was released in the early 2000s. This is a set of clone troopers and their battle robots. So these folks worked on the for the Empire, and they were all clones of a single fighter named Jango Fett. And they were considered dispensable, but they were so valuable on the battlefield that eventually, after the Empire fell, they started their own mercenary division and started to work for the Republic. So you have a wonderful set, still in great condition. We've got a little bit of...
Has it been opened?
Nope, it's still sealed. And one of the ways that collectors seek out these sets is by set number. And so this is set number 75280, and this is what they would collect in terms of filling out a collection of either Star Wars figures. At the time, before Star Wars was licensed through Lego, Lego was struggling as a company. They had created a lot of action sets with generic figures, but Star Wars was the first licensed commercial property that Lego pursued. Once they started to release Lego-themed Star Wars, the company revitalized the brand and is now one of the top 5 toy sellers in the world. From Star Wars beget Harry Potter and other action-adventure series, and from there, they're now a dominant force in the marketplace.